Hello, everyone. Have you ever wondered how Nutella, the world-famous spread, achieves its delicious taste? From the perfect combination of roasted hazelnuts and cocoa, the Nutella production process is a journey filled with fascinating secrets. Let's explore now. Nutella originated in Italy and was invented by Pietro Ferrero, a baker in Alba, in 1946. After World War II, cocoa became scarce and expensive. So Pietro sought to substitute it by using hazelnuts, a common ingredient in the Piedmont region of Italy. He mixed ground hazelnuts with a small amount of cocoa, creating the first hazelnut chocolate spread, called pasta gianduja. In 1964, his son, Michel Ferrero, improved on the recipe and launched the product under the name Nutella. From there, Nutella quickly became a favorite. Hazelnuts are harvested in late summer or early autumn, when the nuts are ripe and have fallen off. The collection process can be done manually or by machine, after which the nuts are cleaned, sorted, and dried to reduce moisture, ensuring long-term storage. Qualified nuts are stored in ideal conditions before being shipped to processing plants, ensuring the natural flavor and highest quality are retained. Cocoa pods are harvested when ripe, usually in the dry season, about 5 to 6 months after pollination. Ripe pods are yellow, orange, or red depending on the variety. Farmers use a sharp knife or sickle to cut the pods from the tree trunk, avoiding damaging the branches. The cocoa pods are split open with a knife, and the cocoa beans and white pulp are removed from the shell. Fermentation. The cocoa beans are fermented for 5 to 7 days in wooden barrels or covered with banana leaves, which helps to remove the bitterness, develop the natural aroma, and characteristic color. Dairy cows are fed a nutritious diet, including fresh grass, silage, grain, and mineral supplements to ensure the best quality milk. After roasting, cocoa beans are de-shelled, and the nibs are coarsely ground into cocoa mass. Fine grinding creates a smooth liquid mixture, forming the base for chocolate or cocoa products. Cocoa powder, hazelnuts, and milk are mixed well to form a smooth and uniform mixture, preparing for the next processing steps. After reaching the desired consistency and flavor, the mixture is carefully packaged to preserve its quality and freshness, ready for distribution. Nutella can be used in a variety of sweet dishes, adding a rich, creamy flavor to everything from pastries to pancakes and desserts.